Hello friends, welcome to my new video. Hamster Combat posted a very important tweet and provided the key detail regarding the airdrop. The date for taking screenshots has been announced. We will discuss this today. It is still ongoing at the moment, so it will continue until the date I mentioned. Maybe you will watch the video 2 days later. It will be over. But it is still ongoing right now, and we will discuss what friends who are getting the Kyc Needed error should do. I will answer the question of those who say they have multiple devices. The amount of allocations we will win will probably be determined in a few days. We might do a live stream about this, or we will shoot a video, friends. And now we have reached the most important part, which is that we will either record, or the recording will be sent automatically. Let's move on to our video without wasting any time. Hello friends, welcome back to my video. Greetings to all of you from Singapore. It is currently approaching 2 AM here, 1:30 hours. Turkey is already ahead. The events are very intense. I was just at a crypto event where they were fighting with cryptocurrency influencers. They were boxing. It was a very silly and interesting event. I'm tired. I might be a bit messy and my hair could be disheveled. Please excuse me for that. After all, we are currently living a nomadic life here. These are the wristbands from the events I've attended. Friends, we are participating in a lot of events. More events will continue, so as I mentioned, my shape might have changed a bit. I will get straight to the most important topic. We are taking screenshots for the event, friends, for the airdrops. Now, a screenshot has been taken for Hamster Combat. Let's discuss when our screenshot was taken. Our screenshot will be taken on September 20th at 21. Friends, the screenshot will be taken on this date. Everything we did before this date is still valid for airdrop season 1. What we do afterwards will also be valid for Airdrop Season 2. Now I will talk about this today. What do we need to do? What are our final preparations? This is an urgent video, actually a quick video. We will discuss this tomorrow. There will be a video where we comment on the price. And friends, please connect your wallets. For those who are having trouble, I don't know why anymore, we explained how to connect to Bybit, Binance and OKEx in the videos. Join the channel and check out the videos. Or friends, you have also selected Telegram and airdrop wallets. You can receive the airdrop from there as well. But please connect your wallets before 11 AM Turkey time on September 21st. We will probably learn about the allocation we will win on September 21st, friends. Now, friends, I have opened my phone. What do I need to do? I clicked on the area CEO and then clicked on See All. Here, it shows the criteria for the airdrop where we will be participating. Now, from the final preparation, if we have a lot of money, we can increase our number of cards, because if we have 50 cards, we are among the top 25%. But if we have 200 cards, no one has managed to achieve that. So the more cards, the better. After, we will level up to level 15, meaning we will be upgrading the levels of the cards. I will show you these shortly. The percentage of people who have reached level 15 is 18%. If you have 10 cards that reach level 15, you enter the 14% tier, friends. And level 25, just do it even if it's just one. Let's see if it's really that hard. Besides this, friends, if you have saved coins, there's nothing to do here anyway. If you don't invite friends, it won't be possible to catch up from this point on. So, from this point on, it's important for us to increase our profits and elevate our earnings. How do we do this? We are back to the game, friends. I clicked on the miner below. Look, there are tabs for tier and team, a market tab, legal, Web3, and special cards tab. We are taking each of these cards one by one. Sometimes it says, for example, let's show it here. For instance, it says that in order to get the NFT market card, you need to level up the NFT collection to level 5. Here we go with these cards. We are finding the NFT collection and leveling it up. For example, look at the IT team. I have made this card level 15. This is considered one of my level 15 cards. I currently have 17 million to spend. Let's go ahead and spend some money here. For example, to upgrade this from level 12 to level 15. We reached level 13, we reached level 14, and we reached level 15. Look, I have taken all the cards here, friends. There is no card I haven't taken. Even if it's level 1, I take that card. Look, I have taken all the cards in the legal. I'm coming to Web3. For example, friends, I'm going to get the Sport Collectible Marketplace card in Web3. It says to bring the Fun token to level 10. Look, friends, the Fun token is at level 1. I'm coming to this, friends. I'm bringing it to level 10. These are the criteria that they have explained, friends. Simply, they could explain a completely different set of criteria. But for now, these are the criteria they have mentioned, friends. I can now come and get this card, add it to my cards. The last preparations start now. Increase hourly profit. Hourly profit matters. Keeping cash matters too. I can say that we are trying to proceed gradually and in a balanced way with all of them. Now, another issue. This is what you talked about the most. I am getting a sliding knee dot error, teacher. You are not getting a KYC needed error. Now I have connected Binance, guys. It says KYC needed, and it is written in red. It feels like I have done something wrong, and you have put in effort for 3 to 4 months. That's why you don't want to make a mistake. KYC needed says that you should have identity verification on your account at Binance. We can connect to Binance, OKEx, and Bybit. We have separate campaigns with each of them. Check the video description. Join in, friends. If anyone doesn't have an account and wants to connect to it, there's no issue with the KYC, friends. So if there's a KYC for Binance, or if you connected to Bybit and there's a KYC for Bybit, there's no problem. Please don't panic. Another topic. Sir, I have a few phones. I'm confused. What should I do? Can I connect all 3 to the same account? Can I connect them to Binance? No, friends, look, I put a cross here. If you connect all 3 to the same account, you risk getting banned. If you connect all 3 to the same person on Binance, Bybit, and OKEx, you risk not being connected. But it's still not 100% guaranteed. However, I think you wouldn't connect. This is my personal opinion. Because, my friends, the exchanges do not provide your name information to HAMSTER.com. This way, you cannot compare. The most reliable method, I would say, is to connect to 3 different accounts with 3 different names. There are rumors that those who connect to the same Binance or the same Bybit, or those who connect to a single Bybit, have started to connect with friends. I don't know for sure, but there is such a rumor. Friends, in the video you are watching, there is a prize video. A friend who likes the video, subscribes to the channel, and likes the tweet in the pinned comment wins 600 TL. Since the videos are back to back, we will now announce the winners in the pinned comments. There isn't enough time to include them in the video. Now, friends, let me briefly mention something. There is an event where you can win 150 Ketizen. Wow, our community is special. Monte and the Quantum community have specially prepared this campaign. You are winning 50 KT from link in 1. A special campaign for us. From here, friends are winning 100 KT. You can get 100 KT, total 150 KT. Likely yields $110, $150. Earn this by opening an account on one exchange. Nice income. Amounts to 5,000 lira. It's a nice amount of money. Hard to benefit from this. You will do well. 2 links below. You will need to register for both. Register. Our membership page will appear. From there, you will do well. Complete identity verification. Deposit $100 into the exchange. When cat rate lists, create a $100 volume. You need to make a sale. You can do 50-50, but you need to deposit $100 anyway. It's that simple. Then you earn a speed of 150 cat, my friends. Many people are asking, I connected my Tonekeeper. Will there be a problem? Will my airdrop be lost? No, friends. If you connect a Ton wallet, you will still be able to withdraw from the Ton wallet. You will need a certain amount of Ton in your Ton wallet. We will also make a post on our Telegram channel about this. We will say that those who want tokens should come here. We will send you a certain amount of Ton for your gas fees. In our announcement channel, we will send Ton for gas fees to maybe 100 people, maybe 200 people, just so you know. Now, we will have another new video coming. I will give you 4 tactics in Moondigs to help you win more, because I think Moondigs will have a nice airdrop. I'm not saying this just because it's Binance. Do you know why I'm saying this? Influencers will certainly earn referral income, but it's nice that there is a limitation here. They can only earn 50 referrals. For example, currently, 1,500 people have become EU through my link, and I am saying, come and become EU through the link on Twitter. I say that only those who are not on Twitter should come. This means there are 1,500 people who are not on Twitter, but only 50 of them are valid. This is a nice thing. That's why I believe a fairer airdrop distribution will take place. Please feel free to ask any questions you have in the comments. There are especially many who are panicking about hamster combat. I don't want you to panic. Let's help each other as much as we can, my friends. See you in the next video. Goodbye.